Hey, do you ever feel like you're being a little too pushy or salesy when trying to recruit new people into your business? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best ways to recruit without being salesy. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram, the content engineer here at paularam.com. And if you want to be sure to get new videos like this when they come out, just be sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon so you don't miss anything. All right, so how can you recruit people without being salesy? Well, number 1 is to use content marketing. So what is content marketing? That's where you create a piece of content. It could be written content like a blog post or a social media post. It can be a video, it can be a podcast, it can be a graphic, an image, an infographic. There's all different kinds of content. And that content is designed to educate and help your audience. So for example, if you're in a health and wellness company and your ideal customer is interested in, say, losing weight, then you'd want to create content helping them achieve that goal. You want to create content that helps them lose weight. And so therefore you're going to attract them to you with that content because they're going to be looking for content on how to lose weight. And so they're going to find you and they're going to tune into what you have to say. And so since these people are already expressing interest in losing weight, they're going to be prime candidates for purchasing one of your products. And once they do, you can put them on your email list, which then allows you to continue to build that relationship with you, which allows you to, down the road, casually promote your business opportunity to them. And if they really love your product, and then they'll be likely to sign up. And this is why the best way to grow a team is actually to promote the product first and focus on getting customers first, because people are much more likely to buy a product than to want to start a business. However, once you get them into your ecosystem, once you get them into your email list and they see how amazing the product is, they're going to be much more interested in the business opportunity because they know it's a great product and they want to show other people how great it is as well. So that is content marketing. You create a piece of content that attracts the kind of person who is going to be most likely to buy your products. Now, second best way to recruit, I hinted at this a little earlier, is email marketing. So email marketing is when you have a list of emails using an email service provider like ConvertKit. And that allows you to continue to build a relationship by giving them even more value, even more content than what you created before. And the great thing about email marketing is it makes it very easy to very casually, subtly, non-salesily, if that's a word, pitch your opportunity to your audience. Because again, you can have a whole email leading with content and value, teaching your audience how to overcome some pain point they have. And at the end, you can just say, hey, by the way, interested in working with more people? If you're interested in working closer with me, then just click the link below and you can take them to some kind of application or something where you can, further the conversation with that person who's interested in joining your team. It's very non-salesy. No one gets upset at that, and it makes it, you're actually having people reaching out to you saying they're interested in joining your team rather than you having to chase after them. All right, and then the third best way to recruit without being salesy is to leverage influencer marketing. So let's go back to your ideal customer again. This is a person who is someone that's already interested in the area that your product covers. So say they're interested in weight loss and you have a weight loss product, that is your ideal customer. So influencer marketing is simply finding it out who it is your ideal customer trusts, who is it they follow and trust and go to for advice, and then you contact that person and work with them, collaborate with them, have them recommend your products for you. And this is a super powerful way to recruit because it's a kind of a roundabout way because it doesn't seem like you're recruiting, you're just selling the product. But again, they see that their influencer trusts you and they trust your product, otherwise they wouldn't be collaborating with you. And so then when they try the product and they love it, they're gonna be much more likely to join your team. In fact, when we started our network marketing business, this is exclusively how we built our team. And we even built a team to over 7,000 members simply using influencer marketing. So that means we never actually prospected anyone. We never really even pitched the business opportunity. People just simply reached out to us because they loved the product so much. They wanted to learn how they could promote it and sell it themselves. So if you're tired of feeling salesy and chasing after people and feeling like you're bugging people about your opportunity, then definitely check out influencer marketing. And if you want to learn more about how you can implement this in your business, then just click in the description below where we have a free influencer marketing quick start guide that walks you through each step of influencer marketing so you can get it working for you as fast as possible. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you liked it, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And let me know in the comments below, which one of these 3 strategies for recruiting without being a salesy are you going to try first? Are you going to try content marketing, influencer marketing, or email marketing? Let me know below and I'll be sure to answer any questions you have. All right, see you in a future video. Bye.